Hello, I have a few items. One is my Heidi Swapp monthly kit plus some other things I bought, and the other one is an Amazon haul with Tim Holtz items. So it's cold today, as you can see. I have my little snuggly. So the first thing I wanted to show you is this Heidi Swapp monthly stamp kit, and it does stamp out this like this, and all good things. Love, have a nice day. Every day is a fresh start. Collect beautiful moments. So this is a separate die from that, as you can see here, right there. And this one does 2 lines only, which is right there. And then these flowers, and these flowers stamp away from, they're 2 different things. That's these 2 right here, and then these 2 flowers here. So I didn't stamp all of them, but as you can see, it is a pretty die. And then these are this one right here, and this one right here, and then this circle dotted is that right there. And then these little flowers are inside of it. And then the rest of the little flowers here and there are here and there. So that's how that's stamped out. Then for the rest of the other kit that I bought, it comes in this packet. In this bag. And this is the button for this month, and it says, "Wish you were here." And then it comes with these file folders that are enveloped with vellum envelope, and this one says, "Just taking one day at a time, doing my best. Here comes the sun. I'm actually not that tired. Said no mom ever." That goes back in there. Then these envelopes here. In different colors, and it does have a little, this one says hooray. This one says hello. This one here says fun. This one here says enjoy. Today. And the last one says love. So these are cute little envelopes in different colors. Sorry for the noise. And then these little epoxy stickers, and they are numbers. And then the alpha, lowercase and uppercase. And then these stickers here. And that's this washi tape, and then the stamp. So it's 2 stamps this time, and this is how it cuts out. So that's good to make little tables for either writing and journaling in it, or you could even do a water list of how much water you drank the whole week. So that's kind of what I'm going to use it for. So I put that in the bag. And the add-ons, I did add this die set that she had from, and these do tags. So it's 4 in a bag, and this is the number to it if you're interested in purchasing it. And then I did buy this cardboard, which I'm going to decorate and make little holes in them, and then put paper inside of it and do like a journal type of thing. So I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to make the holes, and I'm going to use some binder clips. And so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. So you can make a big photo album in here. So I'll show you when I finish how I decorated that. And then for my Amazon haul. So all of these items that I'm going to show you, I did not pay any money for. I used my credit from Amazon. So I needed to find the number 1 from Tim Holtz because Hobby Lobby didn't have it. So I did buy the number 1 flower, the brushstroke flower, and that is 665209. So I bought that one, and I didn't find the number 4. So I bought the number 4. And this one is the brushstroke flowers number 4, 665849. I did find 2 and 3 in Hobby Lobby, but not 1 and 4. So now I have the set. Then I did pick up this one from Tim Holtz, and this one is the Funky Foliage 663087, and I love it because it has mushrooms and the little acorns and some little foliage for the fall. You could even use it for summer. So that's what I like because it's diverse. You could use it for any season. I got that one. Then I picked up the Alpha, the uppercase and the lowercase, it looks like, and some numbers. And I saw it, someone use it. I actually saw Tim Holtz do video, and I love how he used these with these little dots there. So this one is, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you. Oh, I did tell you that one. This one is the Alphanumeric Theory 665924. So that one is that. Then I picked up the Thinlets, and it's this one right here. It's his new line, chapter 3, and this one is Postal 665927, and I saw him demonstrate, and these do cut the stamps that I did pick up, the postage stamps of his, and those dies cuts out those stamps. So I'm happy I got this one. So it's an envelope, the card that goes in the envelope, and these little other cards, special delivery, registered, and these numbers, they're tiny, and these arrows and the little hand. You do get the 2 shades of the hand, so that's kind of cool. Then I picked up the Collector 665926, and it's this coin envelope with the card that goes inside, 3 more of those labels, some tickets here, and some little tickets tags here, they're tiny, and some more numbers. And this one has a little number and a little star and the prize ribbon. Then the last die I picked up was the Vintage Labels 665929, and it makes these labels, and you could make it with color inside, and he shows you how to make it with that, and the ink that you need to use. And I believe it is the inks of his called, let me just, sorry for the noise. It is the archival ink, this type of archival ink that he uses to color in the insides. So I picked that up to make little labels. So it's kind of neat, and because it embosses it, and while it's embossing it, if you put the ink in the die, it will put the color that you want in the emboss area. So I think that was cool. Then I did pick up this Stampers Anonymous. This one is Cracks and Specks CMS 186. And I did stamp it out for you. And that's how the cracks one. And these are the specks stamps out. I think that's kind of cool for mixed media or for any type of background you want to make. And then I picked up the Field Notes CMS 396 from Stampers Anonymous, and this is how that stamps out, which I love. I love that ticket and the numbers that you could use on your ticket. If you bought the ticket of his stamps, you could put that, and these numbers also, and this number. So that's why I picked it up, to make tickets, vintage tickets. So that is it for my haul. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out in videos like this. And what else? If you have any comments, please leave it down below. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.